Momandagirlwithplans, and I am excited to show you the return of Miss Maker. You guys asked for her, and she is back, and she's back in a regular classic size, but also a really fun oversized, kind of like the Mambi stick. So let's check these out. Alrighty, so we've got all the crafty things, and of course some of my favorites are the little cutter and the punch. Remember this punch? I still use that. I love it. You've got washi, scrapbook, glue gun. I mean, just your camera. For all of you knitters, oh my gosh, look at the little discs, macrame. There's so many just different things represented, and all things crafty. All right, and then we've got some really pretty boxes and these flags. I can totally make that. That's so funny. This would even be good if you were like looking through a magazine and you see something, you're like, I want to make that. You could tear it out, put this little sticker and punch it and put it in your planner so that you can make it. All right, if at first you don't succeed, add glitter and keep going. Yes. Craft a happy life, crafty plans. I craft so hard I sweat glitter. These are so cool. And oh my gosh, love the little stitching. It's like little washi strips with stitching. I like this too, things to make. So you can like have your list going of things you need to craft. Art supply shopping. We do that a lot. Feeling so crafty. Crafting with friends. Oh, big sale. That one was good. This is great. Like, especially around the holidays too. Like if you want to make gifts, things you want to make for your family and friends. I love that. Loving this wonderful crafty life, craft time. These are so fun. And they've got the gold foil. Ooh, project details. This is great if you're like needing to like write out a project or explain it to somebody else too. That way you've got your details and you don't forget what you did. Because I'm the type that I'm like, oh wait, what did I do? How did I make this? Especially when you're all done and it's, for me, it's usually late at night, so this would be a really good spot to write down all your project details so you keep everything straight. Any day spent crafting is a good day. So true. These are so cute. I love the colors. They're fresh and fun. Oh, look at all these. You've got the gold foil, little icons. Oh, and then like, this is like a gray. So it's not quite black. It's like a gray tone. Really pretty. Little pins in the sewing machine. And these are stitches on clear, so when you put them down, it kind of looks like your page is stitched. Those are so pretty. I think I saved those from my last one because I loved them so much. It's time to use all the stickers. All right, crafty plans to DIY next. And then, oh my gosh, crafting the day away. Currently obsessed. Get organized. Yeah, I need to do that. Creativity is messy and I'm very creative. Ooh, look at the little planner time one. I love these. Really functional to do today, later, and now, next, and make. Don't forget big plans. Ooh, more icons. So pretty. And let's keep going. Oh, I like this. We've got seasonal crafting. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. Holiday crafting, and it can be like any holiday. Weekend crafting, coffee and crafting, supply shopping. Today, we need a lot more of these. No, I'm just kidding. Craft with friends. Oh, these are fun. A maker's gonna make. Create what you love. Feeling crafty. I like all of the like intricate design around it, and that the lettering is really fun. Oh, these are cool too. It's like a little snapshot, like ovals. Those are pretty. Crafty ideas. Happy plans are the best kind of plans. Happiness is a warm glue gun. That's fun. And then we've got little, again, feeling crafty, great idea, new project, handmade. That one's so cute. Create. Feeling inspired. I like the writing on these. To buy, sale, make it. Those are neat. Like this. It's like real loose and I just love that. Creativity takes courage. Planner sesh. Love those. Time to get crafty. I like all these boxes and these fit. like almost in your monthly, but you could even use them. I like to use them on the top right-hand corner of my mini dashboard. Ooh, more ideas and more projects. Oh, we've got more really pretty decorative with the quotes and then the little icons. Make today, new idea, planner time. All right, I like all these. A little checklist, crafty ideas, creative thoughts, next project. Ooh, excited to make. That one's good. A lot of times I'll have an idea and then I'm like, what was I gonna do? And I forget. So that's great to have like a space with those and you can write those down so you don't forget. Oh my gosh, I have too much washi, said no craft over a truth. I don't know, I kind of do have too much. We won't talk about that. I just use some stickers like this, which have like the background, so they're already pre-layered for you. And then you've got the little square kind of offset. I used some that had leaves in my planner and I loved it. And I am super excited to try these in different ways. Oh, they're so pretty. And we've got these strips. Make, create, today in love. I like all the to-dos because I use those a lot in my planner. Crafty projects. Oh, look, these are done by the day of the week. More projects, get it done. And again, this doesn't have to be a craft project. Oh, those arrows, and look at these with the big icons on them. Those are cool. And then we've got some more. These are actually clear. I followed my heart and it led me to the craft store. I mean, seriously, that happens, right? These are so cool. Planning is not a hobby, it's a way of life, right? These are so great. So she's redone and a little more modern, and I love the stickers that are included in here. Now let's take a look at the big one, the big one. Let's see. Whoa, just cracked her open. Okay, so we've got a really big mistmaker, and I love all of these little, it's like a cluster of all of the icons, living that DIY life. Oh yeah, measure twice, cut once. Oh, I just want to make pretty things. Look at those big discs. This is so cool. And the buttons are so pretty. Craftiness is happiness. Yeah, that camera, I can't. DIY all day. Oh my, I'm staring at it like DIY day all. DIY all day. Hello. Trust your crazy ideas. Oh, that's great. I love these so much. Oh, look at the letterboard. Too many ideas, not enough time. Seriously. Oh, these are super cool. So these you can use in a lot of different projects. Oh man, crafty plans. I'm really excited to see how you guys use these. Crafter's Gonna Craft. I love all the buttons too. Feeling so crafty. Oh, love that one. Oh, wow. There's just so many. They're different. I mean, they're similar. There's some that are in here, but there's a lot that aren't. Look at that. Don't cut corners. At Craft a Happy Life. Make all the things. Craftiness is happiness. Yeah, I just want to make cute things. I love those cameras. I feel like they're for me. And all the pretty scissors, the icons. Oh, create what you love. Oh, look at that. Make, dream, create, craft, love. Crafty vibes. Crafting is always a good idea. So that is the large mistmaker. And there's a whole collection with planners. There's like a little silicone bag. So many things. Dashboards. So check out the full mistmaker line, and it goes on sale September 9th at 9 on the Happy Planners website, Pacific Standard Time. And there are some discount codes, and I'll put those below. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. And please hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get notifications from me. Thanks so much.